Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really essential item for any flute player, especially if you've ever had issues with your head joint cork or crown. This is the Flute Headjoint Cork plug and crown repair parts kit, specifically the one from ReviewBest. Now, why is this important? The cork and crown of your head joint play a crucial role in the instrument's tuning and overall sound. Over time, the cork can dry out, shrink, or get damaged, leading to air leaks and affecting your ability to play in tune and produce a clear tone. The crown helps hold everything in place and contributes to the head joint's resonance. Having a reliable replacement kit like this on hand is incredibly useful. Let's talk about what you get here. The kit includes the necessary components to replace the cork and crown. According to the product information, these parts are made from qualified copper, metal, and cork. This combination of materials is highlighted for its sturdiness and durability, suggesting it's built to last and provide a long service life. That's a key factor because you don't want to be replacing these parts constantly. One of the interesting points mentioned is its tuning effect and ability to adjust the level of pronunciation. While the primary function of the cork and crown is sealing the head joint and setting the internal length, a properly functioning and correctly positioned cork is absolutely vital for accurate tuning across the instrument's range. So, having a good quality replacement that fits well can indeed help restore or improve your flute's tuning stability and response, which is what they mean by adjusting pronunciation level. It acts as a baffle accessory and is specifically designed as a repair part for flute head joints. The product is presented as an excellent substitute and alternative accessory for flute repair. If your original parts are worn out or damaged, this kit offers a straightforward way to get your head joint back in proper working order without needing to take it to a repair shop for a simple cork replacement, provided you're comfortable doing the minor repair yourself or have someone who can help. The description emphasizes good quality and a reasonable price, making it a cost-effective option. Given that a faulty head joint cork can significantly hinder your playing, having a reliable, affordable replacement readily available is definitely worth it. It's silver in color, which is standard for many flute parts and designed for C major flutes, which covers most standard concert flutes. Overall, if you're a flute player, especially one who maintains their own instrument or wants to be prepared for common issues, this ReviewBest Flute Headjoint Cork plug and crown repair parts kit seems like a solid investment. Its construction from durable materials, its function in maintaining tuning, and its positioning as a cost-effective, high-quality repair part make it a valuable accessory to have in your flute case or repair kit. It's presented as a sturdy, long-lasting solution for a common flute problem.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.